Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about voltage and current generator from UCTRONICS. I got this device from Amazon and we're gonna discuss what kind of functionality this device has, what kind of error it can have, and how do we correct those errors. So right now I'm gonna show you how you can change from voltage to current. You can just press this mode button and it does change between voltage and current. This device also has this knob which just change the values of the current or voltage. Also, this is also a push button. When you press this, it saves its value. What that means is, let's say you set your device to a 5.06 volt. You press, you save this value, and now I just change my values. When I'm gonna shut my device off and turn back on, is gonna go back to my saved value, which was 5.06. Second thing we're gonna talk about, it has this terminal switches which you can use in different ways according to your application. It is detachable, so you can just normally take it out, do your wiring, and put it back in. And a second thing you can do is, I'm gonna go through all these wiring name and how you can usually tell which one is which. So first I connected mine with a micro USB 5 volt from a laptop, but at the same time you can connect from an external 24 volt power supply as well. This AI plus and AIO AVO ground, these are the outputs. So you can check those outputs according to the manual which you're gonna get when you're gonna buy this device. So right now I'm gonna show you which terminal is for current, which terminals are for voltage. My multimeter is set to volt, so I'm gonna check AV 0 and ground to check the voltage. So let's go and check, and I'm getting 5.059, which is close to 5.06. And when we're gonna go to the current side and change to current, it's showing 17.39. For the current, you're gonna go with AIO and ground, and you should get 17 point something, but it's not showing. I did it purposely just to showing, if in case you get it and you will think why it's happening. Right now my multimeter is set to AC, it's not DC, so you need to change it to DC, then you will be able to see the DC current. So 17.39, and my if you see here, my generator is showing 17.39 as well. Another thing, if you want to go to parameters, how you can go to parameters. So in order to go through the parameters, you have to just press and hold for 3 seconds. It's gonna go to parameter first, but this first parameter is just, you can go in just without any password. So what the difference between that is, when I'm changing values right now, it's showing just 17.39 something. When I press and hold, go to first parameter, change it to 1, you see the values are changing differently. Why that is, I'm gonna show you that as well, why my values are changing like that. So when I'm gonna hold, put a password which is right, left, right, and I go to parameter 5, I set it here 15, I don't want 15, I want 1, and now my values are changing differently. How are you gonna set these values, why, and what's the purpose for that? It's all written over here in the parameter. You can go through these parameters, and you will know how you can change these parameters according to your need. The second thing we're going to talk about is error. When you're going to get this device, I'm going to show you what kind of error I had. Let's go out, go to voltage. Right now let's see, it's changing differently. because my parameters are also changing voltage. I'm gonna go through parameters. Number 5 it's 1, number 4 it's 1. Okay, now I'm gonna go here, press 1. Okay, so let's go to 5 volt. When I get this device, my parameters were number 6 was set to 0. So what that 6 is, it's an error correction. So if you see here, I'm gonna go to voltage. Right now showing 5 volt, and on my multimeter is gonna show 4.937, which is not 5 volt. So how do we correct this? You go hold it, put your password. Oh, okay, it's a wrong password. Now I'm gonna show you what happens. It won't go in, just show error. So you have to put a correct password, which is 1 right, 2 left, and 1 right. Go to number 6, go enter, connect your leads, and I'm gonna just go up just until I will get 5 volt. Around 61, I guess I set it to. Okay, around here, around 60, I got exactly 5 volt here. You press enter. So now I have 5 volt here. I have 5.09, 5.089, which is pretty much 9. So that's how you correct the errors, and that's all about this device, which is pretty cool device. I like this device. Be honest, when I do my PLC projects, I like this device. It's so handy, so easy to do all kind of project with this device. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was informative for you how you can use this device. Thank you very much for watching.